Now I will show you how you can attach different apps with Mailchimp. Simply you just need to click on integration, and here you just need to write the name of application that you want to connect with Mailchimp. For example, I am just writing here the Canva, and now Canva is available. And after this I just need to click on contact, and then I just need to click on continue, and then I just need to click on allow. And now you can see that my Canva is connected with Mailchimp. And if you want more apps, you can also do this one, and if you want to disconnect this site from here, you can also disconnect. And different more options are available. For example, if you want to connect zipper, simply you just need to write here the zipper, and after this you just need to click on connect. So in this way you can also connect zipper with Mailchimp. And you can also connect HubSpot with Mailchimp. Simply process is just click on integration and write the name of the app, and then just click on connect. Now I will show you how you can get design from Canva for email marketing. Simply you just need to click on campaigns, and after this you just need to click on your targeted campaign. And after this you just need to upload audience, form, subject line, and then you just need to click on edit design. And from here, if you want to change image, and if you want to get image from Canva, simply you just need to click the image and then just click on replace image. And from here, now you can see the different options are available, like upload stock images, my product, Instagram. And now I will show you how you can get images from Canva. Simply you just need to click on Canva, and now you can see that Mailchimp show you the recent images. And from here I want to show you, for example, now you can see that. And from here, if you want to change color, or if you want to edit the thumbnail, so you can do according to your requirement. And once you are satisfied, and then you just need to click here, and then you just need to click on insert. And now you can see that image is loaded, and now you can see that. And here you can also add the link, edit image, replace image, so it totally depends on you. And here is social media network. You can add more network according to your requirement. For example, if you want to add a more network, you just need to click on add another social link, and now you can see that here is added. And if you want to add another social link, you just need to click here, and now LinkedIn is added. And if you want to more, just click on add another social link, and now you can see that. Now you can see that. And if you want to remove, simply you just need to click here, and now you can see that. If you want to add your website, simply you just need to paste the URL of your website. For example, I'm just pasting here my website link. Now you can see it. And once you are satisfied, you just need to click on save and exit, and then you just need to click on send. So in this way you can get design from Canva, and you can send message or email marketing to your target audience.